Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Mr. Bond. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. It's so good to have you with us again.
Today's lesson is something everyone can relate to. Your evening routine.
That's right. We're going to talk about what you do after work or school, how you relax, have dinner, and get ready for bed. All in simple, everyday English.
So whether you're cooking dinner, sitting on your sofa, or brushing your teeth, keep listening and repeat with us.
We'll speak slowly, clearly, and we'll repeat key phrases so you can practice shadowing and pronunciation.
Before we begin, remember to subscribe to Learn English with Mr. Bond, share this episode with your friends, and download the free worksheet in the description.
Yes, the worksheet will help you review new words and write about your own evening routine.
All right then, let's relax, smile, and start learning together.
Ready?
Let's go. So, let's start with that moment when you come home. Tom, what's the first thing you do after? Work?
Well, usually I arrive home around 6 o'clock. The very first thing I do is take off my shoes.
Ah, yes. Taking off your shoes. That's the signal the workday is over.
Exactly. Then I change into comfortable clothes. I like to wear soft joggers and a t-shirt.
That sounds perfect. After a long day, comfort is everything.
Right. Sometimes I wash my hands and face as soon as I get home. It makes me feel fresh. Again.
Good habit. Let's teach some quick verbs, friends. Take off my shoes, change clothes. Wash my face. Try it with us.
Take off my shoes, change clothes, wash my face. Great job.
So, after that, Tom, do you start cooking dinner right away?
Not always. Sometimes I relax for a few minutes first. I sit on the sofa and check my phone or messages.
That's very normal. Many people like to scroll through their phone or read messages when they get home.
Yes, but I try not to spend too long on it. After a few minutes, I get up and go to the kitchen.
Nice transition. Get up and go to the kitchen. Simple and useful.
Exactly. Then it's dinner time.
Before we go to dinner, here's a quick tip for our listeners. If you want to sound more natural in English, try to describe what you're doing as you do it. For example, when you come home, say, I take off my shoes. I wash my hands. It's a great way to train your brain and mouth at the same time.
That's a great idea, Anna. You can even record yourself saying these sentences and listen back. Later, it helps you hear how you sound and improve your pronunciation.
Exactly. That's what real progress sounds like. Okay, dinner time. What do you usually cook, Tom?
If I'm feeling energetic, I cook pasta or stir-fried vegetables. If I'm tired, I order takeout. Pizza.
I think we all do that sometimes.
Yes. Sometimes easy food is the best food.
So, listeners, listen closely and repeat these phrases. Cook dinner, order takeout, eat with my family.
Cook dinner. Order takeout. Eat with my family.
Great! After dinner, what happens next?
The not-so-fun part, doing the dishes.
True. Nobody likes washing dishes, but it feels so good when the kitchen is clean.
Exactly. And while I'm doing the dishes, I often listen to music or an English podcast. Maybe. Even this one.
Good idea. That's a great way to practice English while doing chores.
Right after the dishes, it's relax time. I usually sit on the sofa and watch a little TV or read a book.
Let's repeat that for our learners. Watch TV. Read a book. Relax on the sofa.
Watch TV. Read a book. Relax on the sofa.
Good work. Some people also like to go for a walk in the evening to get some fresh air.
Yes! Even a 10-minute walk after dinner can help you sleep better.
Here's a fun cultural note. In some countries, people eat dinner very early, around 6 p.m., but in other places, like Spain or Argentina, dinner can be as late as 8 or 9 p.m. So evening. Routines can be different depending on where you live.
That's right. So if our listener, Maria in Brazil, eats dinner at 8 p.m. and listens to our podcast while cooking, hello, Maria. We're proud of you.
Yes, and maybe our friend Kenji in Japan listens while washing dishes. Hello, Kenji. Keep practicing.
We love knowing where you're listening from. You're all part of the Mr. Bond family.
So, Tom, after you relax, what's next?
Well, around 9 o'clock, I start getting ready for bed.
Good. Let's go step by step so our listeners can learn these common actions.
Sure. First, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Excellent verbs to remember. Repeat after us. Brush my teeth. Wash my face.
Brush my teeth. Wash my face.
Great job. And sometimes people take a shower in the evening instead of the morning.
Yes, that's me. A warm shower helps me relax and sleep better.
Then what do you do after that?
I put on my pajamas and maybe read a few pages of a book in bed.
That sounds so peaceful. I sometimes like to write a little in my journal before bed. Just a few. Sentences about my day.
Nice idea. Writing in English each evening is a great way to practice and reflect at the same time.
Yes, you can write simple sentences like, I had dinner with my family, or I watched a movie.
Then, of course, we have the very last steps. Set your alarm and turn off the lights.
Yes, don't forget the alarm or you might miss work tomorrow.
True. So to review, let's say these verbs together slowly. Ready? Brush my teeth. Wash my face. Take a shower. Put on pajamas. Set the alarm. Go to bed.
Excellent. Now try shadowing with us. Repeat slowly.
Brush my teeth. Wash my face. Take a shower. Go to bed. Sleep.
Fantastic practice.
You can use these phrases every single day. That's why this topic is so useful. It's real life. English.
Let's review everything we've learned today together.
Yes, from the moment you get home until you fall asleep.
First, take off your shoes. Then change your clothes. After that, prepare dinner. Eat dinner. Wash the dishes. Relax and watch TV or read a book. Brush your teeth. Take a shower. Set the alarm. Go to bed.
Let's say them again together for shadow practice. Take off my shoes, change my clothes, cook dinner, wash the dishes, relax on the sofa,
Read a book.
brush my teeth, go to bed.
Excellent. Now let's make short sentences together.
I take off my shoes when I get home.
I cook dinner at 7 o'clock.
I relax and watch TV.
I brush my teeth before bed.
Very good. Now let's practice questions.
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 7:30.
What do you do after dinner?
I watch a movie.
Perfect. Try making your own sentences at home using these verbs.
Remember, speaking out loud helps your mouth and your mind work together.
Exactly. That's how you train your English muscle memory. Great job today, everyone.
You've learned so many useful evening phrases, and you sounded amazing repeating with us.
Remember, small practice every day leads to big progress.
Yes, even 10 minutes of English listening can improve your confidence.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Learn English with Mr. Bond for more easy and fun lessons.
And don't forget to download the free worksheet in the description to practice writing and speaking about your evening routine.
Yes, we'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Tell us, what do you do every evening? Before bed?
We'll read some of your answers in our next episode.
Keep smiling, keep learning, and keep speaking English every day.
See you next time on Learn English with Mr. Bond.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.